Hey there guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to look at how to create a Windows EC2 instance and connect to that particular Windows EC2 instance. Okay, so all you have to do is click on search bar and go for EC2 instance. Click on it. We'll get this and click on launch instance. Then give an instance name. Let's go with Windows 1, I guess, and select Windows AMI image here. Okay, and you can choose the AMI image you want. All these are free tier and eligible, so we can select any of these. So I'll go with the latest one, which is this. Okay, and the AMI ID here. And coming to the instance type is the amount of storage that you'll be able to get, this CPU, the memory, and all this. This is the only thing I am eligible, like as a free tier. Okay, I'm selecting that. Now let's create a new key pair. I'm creating YT1. Okay, create key pair. Boom, that file is downloaded and it is selected. Coming to security group, you have to allow this. As of now, we'll see what this is in upcoming videos and future videos. As of now, just don't change anything here. Keep it like this only as it is. This is a tutorial video, starting stage, I mean. And here the storage, you can try to decrease it, but it will not take. For the least amount of storage it will give you and will ask you to give is 30 storage itself. Okay, you can add the volumes if you want to, but we'll look at that later. Now, final step, click on launch instance. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, it is created. Now let's see if it is running or not. Okay, it's still pending. Just give some time to it. So there you go guys, it is created. Okay, so now let's try to connect this to our system. Okay, go here for the RDP client. All you have to do is just download this. Okay, download remote desktop file and click on it. So you will be redirected to this. It will ask you, do you want to connect it? Just say connect, and it will ask you for the administrator password. Before that, we need to know what the password is. Okay, so now let's try to decrypt the password. Get password, upload private key, which the key pair that you have connected, upload it. I'm going with YT, that the one that I have. Okay, now click on decrypt password. The password will be generated for you. This is your password. Okay, the username is administrator. It is by default. Okay, there is no need to worry for that. Now paste the password. Do not click on remember me. Okay, do not click on that. Let's wait for the connection. Okay, yes, let's see. Okay, let's just wait for some time. Boom, there you go. You have successfully created EC2 instance of Windows operating system and you are connected to it. Just give it some time. It will take some time to load and all that stuff to set up the environment for you. Okay, just wait for some time, I guess. I mean, when you first doing it, you will get irritated by that, but so it's just like your normal operating system, all right? So if you have the more amount of resources to you, I mean, to it will come faster. Like if you are trying to use a 1 GB memory computer, with the very lacky storage like 30 GB, then yeah, I'm pretty sure it will take. So here we have the operating system. You can go ahead and use this. It's just like normal operating system. I mean, we'll get a will be a little bit of lag, but you know what I mean, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. It will ask you to connect to the network. Click on yes. So yeah. Okay. Let's close this. Yeah. That's how you connect to Windows EC2 instance. Okay. If this video has helped you a lot, so please consider subscribing and hit on the like button. It will help me boost my algorithm and let me find new people who wants to know about all these things, and try to share it to your friends too who wants to know. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.